Hello friends and welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to showcase you the brand new 70mm dashcam M310. So this is the brand new M310 that follows of course the M300, and I will also show this hardwire kit. M310 is their entry level dashcam. The dashcam comes at 60 euros. On AliExpress you can even find it for less, and then the hardwire kit comes at 25 euros. The camera films in 1296, and thanks to its 3 megapixel sensor it is 1.5 times better than a 1080 pixel camera. It has an aperture of 2.0 and a field of view of 130 degrees. It can hold an SD card from 16 up to 256 gigabytes, and the improved battery is a 300 megaamperes, and it is protected by a fire retarding and explosion proof housing. And all new on this M310 is voice control. Now let's see what's in the box. We have 2 electrostatic stickers, the manual, the dashcam itself, and as you can see here, it is a USB-C charger right now, so easier to wire, higher speed for data transfer. Then we have the cigarette lighter, the 3.5 meter cable with USB-A for the cigarette lighter and USB-C for the dashcam. We have a spare sticker, so that's nice. You get a second one, really good. And this prying tool. Now for the hardwire kit. You can see this is the UP03 hardwire kit. And thanks to this hardwire kit you can enable parking surveillance. So now let's go to the car and do the installation. Now the most comments I get about hardwire installation is, does it void the warranty of the car? Is it difficult? No, it isn't. It is really easy to hardwire your car. Just find your fuse box for the Qashqai, it's just over here. Normally in the manual, or in this case on the cover, it describes what are the fuses for, and then it's up to you to find fuses that aren't essential for the car. So here you can see I have a spare fuse that I can use. I also have a heater seat fuse. I don't have heated seats, so I can use that one as well. But things like airbag, stop lamp, clutch, you don't want to touch. So essentially take power socket, SIG lighter, spare fuses or accessories that you don't have installed in the car, and you will be safe. And the second step is to determine what fuse is continuous and which one is switched. So for that I have a great video that I will share over here, where I explain how you can test this with a multimeter. So you can see I already hardwired my dashcam, that is over there, with the cable right over here. It is the yellow one, so that's the accessory, and that one turns on when I unlock and start the car. And then I have the second one, that is over here, the red one, and that is continuous, so it gets power all the time. Then I always also have my ground wire right here, to make it all complete. And to route your cable, you can just hide everything behind the rubber seals, guide it all upwards. Just be a little bit creative, and you can use the little prying tool that they give you with it to hide the cable as well. Now here you can see the 4G module of the hardwire kit of this dashcam. If you like this dashcam and that module, I will share the links in the video description and in the end of this video as well. So for now what we're going to do is installing this dashcam, and I will use the cigarette lighter to show you how easy it is. Now before we start, I will insert the SD card, and it has to be inserted like this. For finding a suitable place, it is always best to connect your dashcam first, so you can find the most ideal place for your dashcam. Now the second step is to remove all the protection films, and now we can simply and there you go. So as I'm using the cigarette lighter here, it is really straightforward. So this goes in like this. You can see the cable is really long enough to work your way around in the car. Now plug the cable in as this, and I will work the cable away and wire it in my cigarette lighter. Now it's all set, and
entering the parking surveillance mode.
So as I said, I only wired this temporary, and you can see that even now it isn't that bad. It goes all the way over there, and then it comes here into my armrest.
Please connect your app to activate the dash cam.
And there you go, it is on, and it asks me to connect the dashcam to the application. So I just started the car to be sure that my battery isn't running flat during this process. So now let's connect the dashcam to the application. So therefore we go to the 70My application that I already downloaded, of course, as I have my other dashcam. I will add a device. I will add a dashcam without screen. I have to click on the power button to turn on the hotspot.
Wi-Fi hotspot is on.
Okay. It is on. Let's find the Wi-Fi network. There it is. Now it is connected. Okay, I have to click the button on the dashcam, and I can enter the tutorial. Choose my language. Here I can adjust the angle. So I didn't connect my parking space cable yet, but I will do that afterwards. So when the dashcam is running, following voice commands are supported. So note that this only works in English and in Chinese. Now I can start to use it.
Please format the memory card.
So I go to the settings, and we go to the format memory card. will set this like we use in Europe. As it isn't hardwired, I will take power off in 5 minutes. Wi-Fi hotspot on. Record audio, we'll put that on as well.
Audio recording is on.
Speaker volume, I do it on low. Emergency video. So I wanted to record emergent video. That means that it puts the files away and protect them, so they won't be deleted by new video. And the sensitivity I will put on medium, so when I take bumps, it won't register all those videos. So the parking security I can activate right now, so it's on off. Video duration, video resolution. So those are the settings. Now let's take the car for a drive. When you unlock the car, you can see it starts directly. Let's try the voice command as well. Take photo. Turn on audio.
Audio recording is on.
Turn off audio.
Audio recording is off.
Turn on hotspot.
Wi-Fi hotspot is on.
Now that works flawless, but let's try it when you use those words in a conversation. So when we go to the restaurant, you have to take a photo. We went on holiday, then you have to take a photo. Take a photo. So that's nice. When you speak, it doesn't capture those words. I was a little bit afraid of that voice control, so it only listens when you have silence in front and afterwards. Now let's connect to the hotspot and see the images and the application itself. I have connected myself to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the dashcam, so let's go to the application itself. You can hear the signal that it is connected right now. Let's go to the settings as well. With my hardwire kit enabled, I can set the duration of parking security, I can set the collision detection, and I can set the time-lapse photography. Here in the voice control, I can see the exact audio commands. Now let's go to the footage. So here I have the dashcam live view, as you can see. Now let's return. I can
Audio recording is off. Audio recording is on.
So those are the live controls, and now let's have a look at the album. And here I can see all the videos that I've taken. So I have two emergency videos, that is when I detected bumps in the road. You can see it's almost on the same spot. Now let's check the normal footage. And here I can see all my album. So I have a 32 gig SD card inserted. And let's see how far it takes me back. So yesterday I drove 2 times, 1.5 hour with the car, and I did some small drives as well. And you can see everything is there. Now let's download the clip, and this is in real time, and you can see that it is really quick. Compared to my very first dashcam where you have to wait for minutes, now it's a matter of seconds. So really practical. And there you have it. Now before we buckle up, I have to mention that this 4G hardwire kit, so it's the UP4, doesn't work with this version of dashcam. You really need the higher end versions. But this said, the M310 is a really nice entry level dashcam. For 50 euros you have the dashcam itself with a little memory card, and add 25 euros more and you even have the hardwire kit with parking surveillance. The image quality is for this kind of dashcam really good. I think even at night time the images are really clear, good visible. So if you're looking for a good dashcam, I think this is a good deal. Please check out the link in my video comments, and when you use that link to buy, you even help the channel a little bit. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and see you in the very next video. Bye bye.